Is your WhatsApp call stuck on reconnecting or connecting? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to fix it. This issue is usually caused by network, app, or system problems. Let's dive in and solve it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. An unstable or weak internet connection can disrupt WhatsApp functionality. So swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Then turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. This will restart your network and fix any temporary glitch. After that, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure your router is working properly. You can switch it off and on to fix temporary issues. Now see if the message is gone or not. Solution 2. Stop using less data for calls. Open your WhatsApp app. Tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Now find and tap on Storage and Data. In here, disable the use less data for calls. Disabling this will stop WhatsApp from restricting your internet during calls. So check if the issue is fixed or updated. Solution 3. Disable battery saver or data saver. Your Android's data saver mode can restrict WhatsApp's access to the internet. To disable it, go to your settings. Now find options like network and internet or connections. Tap on it. Now tap on data usage. Go to data saver. If you see this toggled on, simply toggle it off. After that, check if your issue is fixed or not. Solution 4. Force stop WhatsApp. Tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now tap on force stop and confirm the action. This will completely close WhatsApp in the background. After that, see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 5. Update WhatsApp. A backdated app can sometimes cause issues like this. Open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Now make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If there is any update available, simply install it. After updating, your issue should be fixed. That's all for fixing WhatsApp reconnecting issues during calls. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Catch you in the next one.